Okay guys, so right here on gateio you can see I have over 139 USDT, and what if I tell you I actually deposited 30 USDT and that 30 USDT has been able to produce this amount you are seeing right here on this screen. So this simply means I have been able to generate extra 100 USDT for myself right here on gateio. And that is not all guys. I have been able to accumulate more coins for myself. I mean, some of the projects I couldn't mind on Telegram. So if I'm not mistaken, I've made a lot of videos here on this channel guys, emphasizing on the advantage of participating on this gateio startup mining right here guys. So I so much thank God because at least a lot of persons on my community are already benefiting from this startup mining right here. So guys, first of all, to participate on the gateio startup mining right here guys, you need to download the app there on your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Okay, right. So in today's video guys, I have this particular project which you need to start immediately, which you need to stake here on gateio, and that is the AAX right here. So you can see this is already in progress. People are already staking to benefit from this. So guys, first of all, to participate on this guys, all you need to do is to make sure you have the gateio exchange there in your phone. So if you don't have it, download the gateio app right now. And guys, don't forget to use my referral code. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it right in the description of this video. Use my referral code. So after downloading the app, and guys, second thing you need to do is to make sure you get this account verified. So you can see here my account is verified. So make sure your account here is verified. So to do that, you only need your national ID, okay, and the rest of the cards which will be required. Okay, so guys, once you are done with verifying your account right here guys, to locate the startup mining, click on this human icon right here, and this is where you will find yourself. So the next thing here, you click on start up, and if I click on startup right here, you can see at the top there they have startup mining, and even the startup tax. So here we are focusing on this startup mining, so I'll click on that. So you can see here there are lots of projects going on already. So this is the Zulu. You can see I am already participating on this. So this is it, I am mining already. Okay, so here we are on this. Okay, so this is my main focus on this video guys. So guys, to participate on this particular mining pool guys, these are the requirements right here. First, you need to stake either with Ethereum or with AAX. Okay, now how do you do that guys? So right on the Ethereum right here, just in case you don't have Ethereum, you can equally convert your USDT to this. You are good to go right here. So you can see this is the total reward for this 1,600,000 AAX. Okay, so that is the total numbers of AX token which is gonna be given out, and this staking period is actually gonna last for 14 days, and the mining ends in, so you can see the days here, it's gonna end in 11 days time, and the end time here is 2014 and December 2nd. So this is gonna end on December 2nd. Okay, so if I go to the Ethereum pool guys, you can see the APR right there is 7.12%, and the price pool here is 1 million AAX. Okay, and presently guys, the total participants on the Ethereum pool there is 1,440 participants. So this simply means 1,400 and something people are already participating on this. And also you can see the total staked there, they have 7,566 Ethereum. Okay, so that is it for the Ethereum right here. And for the AAX pool guys, so if you already have the AAX tokens right there, so you can actually restake that. You can stake that to earn more of this token right here on this. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the process right here. Let's say for example you want to stake the AAX. Okay, so if I click on stake now, this is what you will see. So right, I don't have that particular tokens right here. So if you actually have it, and here you are to input the quantity or the amount of AAX which you want to stake right here. So you can see, so let's assume you want to stake everything, so you can just click on max. That is because I don't have anything. So after clicking on the quantity of AAX coins or token which you want to stake right here guys, click on confirm, and automatically your mining will begin immediately. So don't forget, the advantage of this is that you are actually gonna earn more of this AAX at the end of the mining pool. I hope you understand that. Now, for those of you staking your Ethereum, just follow the same process right here. Okay, right after this video, I'm gonna convert my USDT to this. So guys, for the sake of making this video shorter, I'm not gonna go through the process of trying to convert my Ethereum to this. So right immediately after this video, I'm gonna do that. So if you actually want me to show you or to make a separate video on how to do that, guys, drop it in the comment section. I will do a separate video on how to convert your USDT to Ethereum. Okay, so guys, if you are staking the Ethereum right here, do the same thing you did before, then click on confirm and you are good to go. And one of the things I come to realize that a lot of persons, after the mining pool ends, they always find it difficult claiming their reward. So I will be showing you that right in this video, guys. So that is the process on how to stake the AAX tokens right here. Okay, all right. So guys, if you're watching this video right now and you are not using the gateio exchange, guys, I would advise you to kindly do that. Okay, I'm gonna leave the link in the description of this video. And if you're watching this video, guys, I will advise you to make sure you participate on this. Okay, guys, so like I said before, I'm gonna be showing you how to claim this after the mining pool. Okay, so if I go back to home right here, I just want to start from the very top. Okay, so from the home page right here, guys, I will click on the human icon right here again, and this is it. You can see this particular place they wrote simple N. So this is where you will always come to claim your reward. So if I click on that simple N right here, and this is it, you can see my subscription. So if I click on my subscription, that is because there is no one available at the moment. So if you come over to my subscription right here, you will see it right here. So all you need to do is to just click on redeem, because you will see something like that at the bottom, redeem. So if you click on redeem, guys, your USDT will be refunded back to your account and your reward will be sent to you. All right, guys, so apart from that, guys, let me introduce us to this particular event here on get.io, which you need to participate right here. So you can see right here they have get.io BTC AAX. So the AAX there simply means all-time high. Okay, so this simply means get.io are actually giving out a total of $25,000 prize pool, okay, to 8 users just to celebrate the BTC AAX. Okay, so the truth here is that BTC just hit its highest price. Okay, so to participate on this, guy, you can see this is actually gonna end in 4 days time. Okay, so now these are the instructions right here, okay, to participate on this particular event. So right here, this is the very first activity right here. They say new user registration benefits, win startup white list. So this particular benefit is for the newly registered members. Okay, so if you're watching this video, guys, make sure you register on get.io using my referral link in the description of this video just to receive this bonus. Okay, right here, and under it they say new users who register through course referral link and complete identity verification will receive 50 share startup vouchers. Enjoy free startup with startup vouchers and claim new tokens airdrop. So this will actually give you the access to receive free airdrops right there on the startup mining pool. So as a new user, this is one of your benefits. Okay, and the activity 2 here, they say new user deposit benefit. So they say deposit to win 5,000 BTC prize. Guys, that is huge, isn't it? And under they say new users who register through course referral link and complete identity verification make a deposit of less than 100 USDT during the events will receive 10,000 BTC. Wow, whoa, that is huge, guys. And number 3 right here, they say course community trading benefits. So here you can trade to share BTC's prize pool and win future vouchers. So guys, if you're watching this video right now, and you can see here they say user who complete trading volume no less than 200 USDT during the events will share 5,000 BTC and proportionally based on the total trading volume. And 2 here they say users who reach a trading volume of 10,000 USDT during the event will receive an additional random future voucher worth 10 to 100 USDT. So guys, this is very, very important. So if you are watching this video right now, guys, and you have all it takes to participate on this, so you can go ahead and do that. So to join this event, all you need to do is to click on this join button, then follow the instructions. Okay, and boom, you are good to go. This is a very huge advantage right here. Okay, so that is it, guys. So if I scroll down to the bottom right here, they say notes. participant must click on join now button to be eligible for reward. And secondly, they say trading volume equals buy volume plus sell volume and total. So to avoid making this video longer, I'm gonna leave the link to this particular page. Okay, so take out your time, read the instructions right here, and you are good to go. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and before I leave, don't forget to register on gateio using my referral link in the description, or you can also get the app, then use my referral code. I'm also gonna leave there in the description and also in the comment section of this video. And for early access to updates like this, guys, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. I'm gonna leave the link right there in the description of this video. Okay, so thank you guys, and see you in my next video.